Ladies and gentlemen, I am at the sales kickoff for Torq. Everybody here is incredible, and I am having the time of my life.
Trevor, I'm buckled up, I'm ready to go, I'm feeling the energy, I'm loving it.
What has been the best part of today so far?
Meeting you.
Meeting Trevor.
You guys are too sweet. Right here is where we have the Torq store. It's got all the merch I've ever wanted in my entire life. Can I get one of everything? Putt-putt and cybersecurity? You've never seen a combination like this in your entire life. Put Trevor on shoulders.
Not just Trevor, everyone.
Anyone. I'm going on his shoulders, everybody! We love Torq TV! Ladies and gentlemen, Trevor from Torq here, and we are on Broadway, about to go up to the honky tonk. Let's get this party started. Let's go! Trevor from Torq here, and I am live at the final event. It has been an incredible week, and I am so psyched. All the stars are out tonight. We love Torq TV! We love Torq TV! We love Torq TV! SKO 2026, let's go!